I or we when promoting your house cleaning business? That's a great question, and we're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by Savvy Cleaner Training, and we cover all sorts of things for house cleaners and maids, how to get started in your business, how to motivate your employees, and how to move forward when you have customers that you're not getting along with very well. So check it out at savvycleaner.com. All right, on to today's show, which is from a house cleaner who wants to know when she's promoting her business, do I use the term I or we? Now, it's personal preference. It's completely up to you, and either way works. If you get in the habit of saying I, then you give your clients the suggestion that you are the sole decision maker in your company. So they say, hey, well, this is too much money. Can you give me a discount? Then, because you say I when you're promoting yourself, you have to be the one that steps up to say, well, I am not able to do that for you. But if you say we, like it's we, it's all of us, whoever all of us is, then you say, well, let me check and I will get back to you because we have rules in place. These are our rules, or these are our prices. And you're talking about we as a company, and it doesn't sound like you yourself can make that sole decision. All right, now, when I say we, what I'm talking about is not just you, because even though you are one person, a lot of times we do not work alone. Sometimes you're a member of the Chamber of Commerce, or you belong to a networking group, or maybe you have a supportive spouse that's behind your business, that maybe you share ideas with or you spin ideas from. If you have a mentor or you have a business coach, these are people that are helping you in your business. So when you say we, you're referring to me, the whole team of us. It's not just one person. Now, when you expand your business and you start hiring other people, you will already be in the framework of saying the word we, and that includes all of the employees and all of the people that work with you. So if you have a choice, and you do, my suggestion is that you just get in the habit right now of thinking in terms of we. When you start thinking in the terms of we, and it's not just me, I, it's all about you, then what happens is you start expanding your thinking and you start thinking of ways that you can even outsource some of your smaller tasks. We are running a business. Well, who is we? Who's the other people? And then you start thinking, maybe I have a bookkeeper. Maybe I need a bookkeeper. Maybe I have a tax accountant. Maybe I have someone who picks up my cleaning supplies, or maybe they pick up my mail. And you start thinking in terms of assistants and people that can help you run your business. Maybe there's someone I can outsource some of my other chores to so that I can then go bid the contracts that help our business grow. So even if you're only one person starting out, you never work alone. There are always other people that kind of help move your business down its path. So just get in the habit of saying we and just see if it changes your business at all. You can always go back to saying I if you don't like the we part, but that would be my suggestion. Alrighty, I hope that helps a little bit. If it does, leave comments in the notes below. Let me know what your feelings or your thoughts are, and share this with a friend. And then until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.